Cavite, bida sa karera.
And they're off. Early lead is taken by I Will Survive by the Rail. Is I Will Survive and winning hand in between horses. And moving up on the outside is Jonas Recipe. And heading for the backstretch, I Will Survive in the lead with winning hand. Running in second on the outside. And Jonas Recipe running in third. Entry number 5, Peace and Love, Power Gear, and Unica Champ is bringing up the rear. At the mid-back stretch, it is still I Will Survive by 2.5 lengths, followed by winning hand, Jonas Recipe, and moving up on the farther outside is Peace and Love, Power Gear, and Unica Champ. Nearing the pattern, it is still I Will Survive in the lead, followed by Peace and Love, and Jonas Recipe on the outside. By the rail is winning hand, Power Gear, running in fifth by 4.5 lengths, and moving up on the inside is Unica Champ. And the last bend for home, it is now Peace and Love leading the field, followed by I Will Survive, and winning hand remains in third, and running now in fourth is entry number 1, Unica Champ. At the top of the stretch, Peace and Love, Champ moving up on the farther outside, and by the rail is I Will Survive. Peace and Love, Unica Champ moving up on the farther outside. It is still Peace and Love, and moving up now to grab the lead is entry number 1, and that is Unica Champ. And finally, the horse of Alvin Pereira's, Unica Champ. Peace and Love, winning hand, I Will Survive, Power Gear, and Jonas Recipe.